Hi there, welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we'll be exploring a new feature that is for Fluvid Pro users. This feature allows you to directly live stream your videos on your Twitch channel. That's really a great feature if you're a regular Twitch user, a streamer and a gamer. So you can screen record your games on Fluvid and directly stream it on Twitch. So let's see how you can do that. Let's go to the Fluvid dashboard. On the left hand side of the dashboard, click on live streaming. Now you can see the options to live stream on Fluvid, on YouTube and Twitch. Well, we have already created a tutorial video on how you can live stream on YouTube, so you can have a look at that. So I'm clicking on Twitch here. Now you need to fill in some details. Add a Twitch channel. So I'm just going to add a Twitch channel. It's asking to authorize, so I'm just going to click on that. Now you can see Fluvid Zone has been added. That's the name of my Twitch channel. Now you can add in a title. Category. Category would be anything. There are plenty of options. I guess this would be an arcade zone game, for example. So I'll add in that. Now stream language. You can select any language that you want. I'm going to go with English. Now I can continue with the streaming page. Now here you can see this is where your streaming will happen for you. Once you click on Start Stream, the streaming will be live and you can then record the video after clicking on Start Stream. And you can record this video and save it in your Fluvid dashboard as well. Now there are two ways to go about. You can share with your viewers the Fluvid link, or you could share with them the Twitch URL for them to access your live stream. So once you click on Start Stream, this is the live streaming video URL for Fluvid. So I'll copy it and I'm just going to keep it separate over here. Now I'm going live. Share. So now when I'll go to this Twitch link, you will be able to see the live streaming once I click on Start Stream. Now you can see the live stream is happening. And the live stream is happening over here as well. So that's how you can easily live stream directly on Twitch. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us at hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.